Emirates Airline, a commitment to safety above all, global recognition for safety excellence, top safety rankings, 7-star rating. Holds the prestigious highest safety rating from airlineratings.com, the world's only airline safety and product rating agency. Maintains full IOSA certification, demonstrating compliance with the most demanding international operational safety standards. Advanced fleet and maintenance standards, daily pre-flight checks, 14-day A checks, 18-month C checks, major maintenance with full fleet documentation, 6-year D checks, complete aircraft disassembly and overhaul, unwavering operational protocols, elite pilot training, crew excellence program, IOSA compliance, safety management system, your journey, our priority. Fly with confidence. When you choose Emirates, you're choosing an airline that has invested over $1 billion in safety infrastructure, technology, and training over the past decade. Your well-being is paramount. We measure our success not by miles flown, but by the safe journeys of the 58 million passengers we carry annually. Your safety is our unwavering commitment.
So there you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.